Did you know Ruskin Bond has been writing books for nearly 70 years? Can you even imagine how long that is? His first book was published in 1956, and since then he has cranked out over 500 short stories, essays, novels, and other works. It's like the man has a literary fountain of youth, and we are all just sipping coffee or tea trying to stay awake. Now, let's be real. Reading the complete works of Ruskin Bond is a Herculean task, especially when some of it's meant for kids. And if you are an oldie like me, you might not want to revisit your inner child too much. Your back might start hurting. Mine hurts all the time these days. So, what's an adult with limited reading time to do? Simple. Let me tell you which books are worth your precious time. I have read 6 of Ruskin Bond's books, and yes, only 6 because unlike Bond, I need sleep and I'm here to rank them from the least to the absolute best. Challenge accepted. Number 6, The Perfect Murder. Spoiler alert, it's not perfect and it's not really about one perfect murder. Talk about misleading titles. This book is like a compilation and only one story is by Bond. It's like ordering a burger and getting a salad. Sure, it's still food, but it's not what you signed up for. And the story that is by Bond, it's called He Said It with Arsenic. So basically, if you're hoping for a quintessential Ruskin Bond experience, skip this one. You're welcome. Number 5, The Room on the Roof. Ruskin Bond's debut novel. This is where we meet Rusty, one of the most popular 17-year-olds in India. But I'm sorry, I'm not a huge fan of the guy. He's 17, but he acts like 8. Sure, it's a classic, and Bond will forever be remembered for creating Rusty. But let's be honest, this book and its vibe is just not that relatable to someone like us or like someone from our time. Number 4, How to Be a Writer. If you have ever tried writing, you know how hard it is to finish even a single story. Now imagine writing for nearly 70 years. Ruskin Bond deserves a medal or at least a really comfy chair. How to Be a Writer is Bond's latest attempt to guide aspiring writers. It's short, sweet, and filled with a lot of advice, but let's not forget it's still kind of like written for kids. So while the wisdom is solid, the content is a little light, like a diet version of a self help book. Still, it's worth a read if you want to learn from this master of storytelling and writing. Number 3, Tales and Legends from India. This one's for all of you who love folklores, okay? It's a collection of mythical tales and legends from across India. The stories are simple, but they pack a punch. It's like being handed a box of assorted chocolates or biscuits. Some pieces are just like better than the rest, but overall, it's a treat. I feel like most of the people who have grown up in cities must have missed out on these tales. So consider this book as your cultural crash course. It's educational and entertaining and kind of like that like one cool teacher like we all wished we had and we never had. Anyway, number 2, Potpourri. Finally, a Bond book that's like a buffet of short stories. There's a little bit of everything in this one, and it's like all good. This collection features light horror, romance, mystery, crime, kind of like everything. It's really like Bond took all of his like short story ideas, all the best ones, and he threw them into one book, and that's this book. Susanna's Seven Husbands is a story which inspired the Priyanka Chopra movie Saat Khoon Maaf. And although the movie was horrible, this story itself is a really good one. And remember, He Said It with Arsenic from the book I told you to skip? It's here too, so you can totally avoid that perfect disaster and get the goods here. And lastly, at number 1, The Blue Umbrella. This is the Ruskin Bond book that everyone knows and for good reason. The story is simple, just a young girl and her blue umbrella, and yet it's like so much more. It's a tale of envy, desire, and small town drama. The characters are vivid, the plot is tight, and the social commentary is like sneaky but effective. This is one of those books that's a quick read, but it stays with you like a song you cannot get out of your head. And it makes for a perfect gift, especially for like this festive season. If you want to give somebody a book and you know they haven't read this already, gift this book. I have put the links to all the books that I have mentioned in this video down below in the description, so you know what to do. Just click, buy, and read. But wait, we are not done yet. This video is just the beginning of my Ruskin Bond adventure. I'm on a mission to read more of his books, and I need your help. What's your favorite Ruskin Bond book and why? Comment below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more bookish fun. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.